importing and selling in China from the last 10 to 15 years, they are having big profits. They can easily set up a factory here. So they can easily set up a factory for raw material, but there is also a catch. In China from the last 10 to 15 years, they are having big profits. They can easily set up a factory here. So they can easily set up a factory for raw material, but there is also a catch. The thing is, we are not having skilled labor. This is the most difficult thing which is coming in our path right now.
That's
Skilled
correct.
labor is most important thing. We have money, we can buy machines, we have land space, we can also get government support. Okay, government will eventually support if they see that there is some progress in the field, factories are getting established, then government will support eventually. But the labor, if the labor is the skilled labor, if the tooling engineers are not there, then we cannot make completely in India. For an example, I'll tell you about Donald Trump's talk with Tim Cook. Donald Trump, American president, asked Tim Cook that why cannot you bring Apple's production to US again? We can lower the wages of the labor, and you can start production here. His answer was, how much tooling engineer do we have? We have tooling engineers only this much quantity that we can fill a big room. Okay, a big room. Big room is literally big room. And in China, the number of tooling engineers is we can fill up a full big stadium, football stadium.
Yeah,
This is
correct.
the difference. China, China eventually, slowly reached there. This is a hard time for US to get the tooling engineers. So what about us? We are very far away from there. So we need skilled labor, very importantly, most importantly.
Okay, correct. So, like, just a wind up line from yourself, like, if we'll be talking about boycott China, how much time it will take us if we just want to actually boycott China, and how much it's gonna take us to reach there to match their production level?
If we go with a full 100% potential, 3 years. If we go with 70% potential, 5 years. If we'll go with our Indian speed, we are slow and lazy. Do
Yeah.
not mind people, but yes, we are. We are. Everyone knows in their heart and mind. So if you'll go with our speed, it will take 10 to 12 years.
Okay, cool. So, but there is one more catch in it. Like for hardware, it's gonna take a lot time. But if we'll talk about software, like there is one video on YouTube, and that's saying like just delete all the software, Chinese software right now, and use the alternates of it. But very next day you hear the news that Google Play Store has just removed that app from the Play Store, or like obviously like big companies gonna do this, they're gonna just remove all the new coming app. So how we have to make sure that we are in the limits to actually defeat them, because sometimes it happens like we like not knowingly we just go outside the community limits, but we have to make sure our software or our hardware need. So how to make sure like we are at the good stage, because it's good to listen.
See,
Yeah,
this is
yeah.
a very
Sorry. Just a thing. Like it's good to listen to Go Made in India fully and just delete all the Chinese app. But when you just start using your phone again, then you realize you actually need them or a better alternate from them.
See, first I'd like to talk about hardware. Why the hardware companies like MI and Oppo, OnePlus, Vivo, why they are hit in India? Because they have their own production, right?
Correct.
So we need to have our own production to reach there and get best prices for our product to keep our prices low and perfect. Okay. And the second thing is have you seen how much advertisement they have done?
Yeah.
Every shop, every mobile shop is having the Vivo. Okay. So this is what they have done for promotion. So OnePlus, Vivo, and Oppo, they are from same company, BBK Electronics. BBK Electronics, Chinese firm, which is a very big firm, and it is in the market for the last too many years, 20, 25 years. Okay,
Okay.
so it's a very big company with very deep pockets. So OnePlus, BBK, OnePlus, Oppo, and Vivo, they having big pockets, so they can do marketing and they have money to spend. So they are doing good marketing and they have best pricing their product because production is their own. So we have to do the same way. We have to get production here. Companies like Micromax, Lava, and other companies, they what they did, they imported from China and sell it in India.
Yes.
Okay, so now if there are companies which are making phones in India, which are selling phones in India right now, after importing it from China, they need to set up their factories here, get the tooling engineers from China for the first time. So they can get their engineers or their employees trained. Okay, so get some Chinese here and start their factories, get your labor educated, and then get your labor educated and trained, make them knowledgeable, and then you can do your full production. Then you do the marketing, and you will see the wonders. Okay, this is the hardware side. So the software side is what Chinese did is they saw that on YouTube you have to find some content, make some content, and then you have to edit the content. Okay, so this is not for everyone. This
Correct.
is a profession. You editing video is very difficult. Thinking about content is very difficult. Making is a little bit easy, but thinking about what we are going to do in the video is a difficult thing. And editing the video is very difficult one. I myself do editing for my videos, and it's a difficult procedure. So what they did, they launched the app TikTok and Hello app and many other apps. I don't know much about them, and I also do not use them. But the thing is, they tapped into a different segment. They made everyone a content maker. See,
Correct.
everyone living in village or living in city, everyone is having something cool or something new in their mind. How they can present it to the world? They need a platform, right? So they build a platform, got the common man there. So if common man is there, YouTubers are few, but common man there are too. So this is what they did. This is
Okay.
what we need to understand, and this is what we need to do. We need to think about common people and think about how to get them on our app or platform or system.
Yeah, correct. So
Think
basically,
big.
yeah, so basically what we have to do is we have to make people oriented app, like what people actually need, not what actually technology is booming, right? So we have to take we
Right.
have to make sure what they need, not what the big technology provides. It doesn't matter
Right.
to them which technology you are using. What matters to them is how easy it to use and how entertaining it is to use, correct?
Right. This
Okay.
one I forgot to tell. You have to make it easy to use because if it's easy to use, then only people use it. Because software editing videos from a software for YouTube is a difficult thing. So people
Correct.
usually do not do that. Some quit in between, or some do not it and raw. And our video is, I believe, is going raw, but it's a already told procedure that it will be an unguarded video, uncut. But
Yes.
for some people, some YouTube channels, they put raw videos which need editing.
Yeah, true.
So they do not edit, and eventually after some they go away.
Correct. I agree. So let's just come towards the last part of this podcast, and that's gonna be FAQs from the students itself. We took survey. We were taking surveys from many students from past 1 month, and we just shortlisted some of the questions that were related to you and related to startup. So that I thought that you will be the best person to reply to them, and they can just have the correct answer for their question. So first question is, Is MBA
Okay.
a need of time to be a good entrepreneur?
No.
Oh, okay. So like,
In early ages,
yeah,
Sindhis, Marwadis, did they do MBA?
no,
No.
yes,
You have to have a business mind. You have to learn the business skills. You should know how to sell. MBA is not important. You can do an online crash course,
correct.
get
Okay,
your
cool.
educated,
So,
and it's just which can get you a job in some
okay.
company.
And
You can
second
also
question is,
get a job in that if
sorry, sorry,
you
sorry.
show them your skills.
Okay,
You can MBA gets a job in a company,
yes,
MBA degree, but if you show that same company your skills, get a time frame from them for 1 month and ask them not to pay you for 1 month. Check your skills, check your work efficiency, and if you are good, then pay you from the second month. They will agree and they will be ready. And you show them your skills for the first month, and they will start paying you from the second month if you are worth it. If you are not worth it, you know what will happen.
okay. So, this is like a great takeaway for everyone who is like watching this video. Like, when you want to start something your own, you need to have that knowledge, so that that knowledge can be like work for someone for free. Like, if you will work for some company and you will say I'll work for free, they won't deny. But actually you need to take that ground knowledge of everything so that you can make anything by own. As he already told, like, you have to watch videos, you have to read, or you can just work for someone who is actually working in that field, and that can actually give you a lot of insights, and that will
Right,
actually help you. Okay.
right.
Great. So next question is how spiritual you are, because Indians are really emotional. Like, have you ever done like Bhagwan ye deal kara de, and I'll be like going to the mandir and 2 kilo laddu chadaunga main. Have you been that much of spiritual at any time in your life?
Uh, frankly, never, because this never works. Works, hard work works, but God को पैसे दे के खुश करना doesn't work. Never
Correct.
works, I will say.
Okay, and one more thing, I'll just get to like you were telling, so I just remember one more thing. Like, people think like there is the new time and there is the time to do smart work, but they what they actually doesn't know is smart work is for the people who have done the work in their hard work. Like, they have done with their hard work, and now then they have to do the smart work. Initially, everything works with hard work only. Are you agree to this point?
100% agree. Because the thing is, first, you do not have too much knowledge about business, and every business is multiple things. If you're doing, if I take an example from my company, I'm not only making products, I am making products and doing changes in them and doing multiple things, marketing them and make them looking attractive. There are many other things, too many things that I cannot mention everything. Okay, so so what you need to do is I forgot the main point of the question. Can you please repeat it again?
So my main question was like, hard work is the main thing. Smart work works when your hard work is done. Is
Right.
it?
So
Yes.
the first time you have to do the hard work only.
Correct.
Because when you do the hard work first time, you get to know the things. If you even watch YouTube videos or you search online, read Google, read Quora or Reddit or everything, you get the written knowledge or online knowledge. But when you work, when you persevere, then you get to know about practical things, how things work practically, and you need to do. So every business is a difficult procedure to follow. Every business has a different need. Every business has a different goal and a different market and different niche. So what you have to do, your business will be different than others. अगर मैं बोलूं कि यार मैंने अपने बिजनेस के लिए ये सब किया, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको भी अपने बिजनेस सब करना पड़े. हालांकि हो सकता है हमारी फील्ड सेम हो, बट जरूरी है कि हमारी फील्ड अगर सेम ही फील्ड, तो आपको वही करना पड़े जो मैंने किया है. हो सकता है आपकी अगर नीच थोड़ी सी भी ऊपर नीचे है तो आपको थोड़ा सा अलग प्रोसीजर फॉलो करना पड़े। तो
Correct.
बिजनेस का जो है उसमें आपको एक सब फॉलो करनी पड़ेगी। Get ready for that. So first time you will be doing the hard work, and from the after some time you'll know how to go do things quickly and easily. This is what smart work is called.
Correct.
So you are
That's
100% right with this.
okay. So one more question, like that's I too have in like my mind and everyone have, like how to choose if you have to do a project, have to manage your GitHub, or have to learn some language, or actually do a startup. How to make your mind, or how to settle it at, because at right now in the lockdown situation, you see your LinkedIn or GitHub, you see a lot of people doing new stuff and you just get motivated, like, yeah, I should do this. But the very next day you just think like, no, this maybe not my cup of tea. So how actually you have to make sure like that's what you need to do?
See, this is a thing that कि इसका यही है कि आपके अंदर से आवाज आनी चाहिए। When something is right, you get to know within yourself कि यार हाँ ये सही है, ये मेरे लिए सही है, मुझे ये करना चाहिए। Or you can do one more thing if you are 1 to 5% in doubt. If you are having less than 95% confidence, do not go for that thing. If you are having 95% confidence and having 1 to 5% doubt, then you can ask your friends or your father or your any relative who is already doing business in some. And if he is smart only,
Okay.
if he's a not a good person who always criticizes everything, do not ask him.
Okay, great. So let's come to the next question, and that's it. Like, do you regret your situation? Like, you started your startup. Do you regret it, or are you happy with like not taking the job and actually going in the startup? Will you just suggest everyone like if they want to do startup, just leave everything and just do it, or they should work and take experience and then get into startup?
The second one, work,
Okay.
get experience, then start a company. Otherwise, it will be a very difficult path and you will lose a lot of money. And bleeding money is very bad thing.
Okay.
Be professional about it.
Okay, so there is a big thing like I would like to talk like before ending this, and it may take a lot of time as well, but I'll just try to conclude it. There is another big word, and that's really a big word when you come into the line of startups, that's funding. Is this like if you don't get a funding in a competition right away in the first, if you try just in a competition or two or three and you doesn't get a funding, will that just decide that your startup is not cool, is your startup is not for the people, or you should like just wait for the right time and then apply for the funding?
See, uh, there are multiple correct points in your statement. The first thing is you will get money just right at the start time of your startup only if you are doing something really out of the world, something really which no one has ever tried and is needed in the market immediately. If your funding company or funding partner is smart enough, he will invest right away. And if the investor thinks that this thing is not required right now, market is not ready for this product right now, and this plan will fail in the next 1 to 2 years. He will not fund you because the investors are very smart. Okay. The second part is if the investors say no to you for the first time and you do not have money to go forward, आपके पास पैसे हैं कि यार मैं स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकता बट मेरे पास आइडिया है, तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़े, कहीं ना कहीं से आपको इन्वेस्टर छोड़ के चाहे आप अपना मनी यूज करिए, अपने फ्रेंड से लोन लीजिए, बैंक से लोन लीजिए, कहीं से भी लोन लीजिए और उसके बाद आप अपना काम शुरू करिए। अगर आपको बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस है खुद पे कि यार ये तो चलेगा ही चलेगा, और दिस हैपेंस इन वेरी फ्यू केसेस, 1% केस लोग ऐसा करते हैं चलेगा ही चलेगा, मुझे बस पैसे नहीं, मुझे नहीं लेना देना कि इन्वेस्टर को समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं, और
Yeah, yeah,
कैसे करना है कैसे नहीं, मुझे प्रैक्टिस चाहिए और मैं काम करके निकाल लूंगा। और द थर्ड पार्ट इज विच एवरीवन फॉलोज, कि बिजनेस आप फर्स्ट टाइम चलाओ ऐसे, और उसके बाद टाइम बाद आप फंडिंग करो। और आपका बिजनेस अगर कंपनी देखती है कि हाँ चल तो रहा है, प्रोडक्ट में दम है, चाहे वो सर्विस है चाहे हार्डवेयर प्रोडक्ट है, सॉफ्टवेयर है चाहे हार्डवेयर है, अगर कंपनी देखती है कि इसमें दम है, इसकी बात में भी दम है, इसके प्रोडक्ट में भी दम है, दे इन्वेस्ट इन यू।
okay. So this is the last question from this FAQ section, and then it'll be coming like we'll be ending this. So last question is, how big communication take role in the startup? Like how you actually have to use your 4 years in a BTech or in any graduation year to build yourself a good personality, because personality is one of the biggest factor to start your startup, right? Because you have to make sure you have a good relationship with everyone. Like if you don't have to work with anyone, then also you have to make sure you have a good relationship, because you never know in the future what gonna happen, right? So how to make sure in these 4 years you have to make your personality and communication skill to the top?
तो हिंदी में बोलूंगा और बहुत क्लियरली बोलूंगा कि अगर आपके पास कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स नहीं है ना, तो गो फॉर अ जॉब। अगर आप बोल नहीं सकते तो डू नॉट स्टार्ट योर बिजनेस, यू विल इवेंचुअली फेल। एंड फेलिंग एट अ वेरी बिग टाइम और वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टाइम इज अ बैड थिंग। कि आपकी कंपनी बड़ी हो रही है और आप कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स की वजह से आपकी कंपनी डूबने वाली है, तो दिस रियली रियली बैड ब्लंडर। तो अगर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स नहीं है, डेवलप इट। और अगर आप डेवलप भी नहीं कर सकते, जैसे हम जो बहुत चुप चुप रहते, ज्यादा बोलते नहीं थे, अगर आप ज्यादा बोल नहीं सकते तो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स बेसिकली आपकी खराब है। डू नॉट स्टार्ट अ कंपनी। स्टार्टअप अपनी कंपनी कभी भी स्टार्ट मत करना, बिकॉज दैट कंपनी विल नॉट ग्रो बिग।
Okay.
और अगर आपके पास कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स हैं, यू नो हाउ टू मेक रिलेशंस, रिलेशंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इफ यू नो हाउ टू मेक योर रिलेशंस, then go for a startup and eventually you will succeed with perseverance। डीप की तरह आपको लगे रहना, काम बन जाएगा यार, इजी है।
Great. So, with that, I'll just add one more thing to whosoever is watching. Just don't get negative if you don't have a communication skills right now. You can work on it. I am own example here. I used to be like so shy. I never used to talk to anyone in my first year. And today I am on the camera and talking to him and just making a video for yourself. So just it take time, but make sure you work for it. If you want, it won't come to you automatically if you won't work, right?
Perfect advice। The perfect example for this is Joseph Singh Sidhu, as my father tells me, he does not he did not used to speak a single word। Okay, now you cannot stop him। I don't know, I do not know how he got there, but he is there। So how he speaks, you cannot swim in between, yeah। So business, so communication skills can be developed, easy to develop, but you have to open yourself a little,
Yeah.
stop being shy and introvert।
Yeah, correct. And with the communication skills, it doesn't matter. You just have to learn English. You can be perfect in just one language. Just make sure you just speak yourself. Even if it's in Hindi, if you are pitching in Hindi, you have that confidence in yourself that the people who are understanding at least Hindi, they should be like, yeah, this guy can do this thing at least. Correct. Just it's to make sure that you can speak yourself.
कि ऐसा टाइम नहीं है कि हम लोग सोचते हैं कि जैसे जो इंग्लिश बोलता है वही मतलब इंग्लिश बोलना एक लग्जरी थिंग है, हाई क्लास थिंग है, ऐसा नहीं है। आई डू नॉट फील इट। मेरे साथ साथ काफी लोग नहीं सोचते होंगे जो मेरी जनरेशन के हैं या हमारी जनरेशन के हैं। सी द थिंग इज कि हिंदी में जिस बंदे को जो मतलब चलो उसके पास कोई थी सिचुएशन उसके चाइल्डहुड में कि वो स्कूल नहीं जा पाया, अच्छे से इंग्लिश नहीं सीख पाया, या उसका दिमाग पढ़ाई में इतना चलता ही नहीं था, बट किसी को क्या पता कि वो बिजनेस में शायद अच्छा हो।
Correct.
बिजनेस में अच्छा होने के लिए इंग्लिश अच्छी आनी जरूरी नहीं है। तो आप क्या कर सकते हो कि अगर मान लो जैसे हम एग्जांपल लेके चलें कि कोई गांव का बच्चा था, ठीक है, किसी भी विलेज का लगा लो, उसको इंग्लिश को नहीं पढ़ पाया, नहीं समझ में आती, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि उसके पास कोई आइडिया नहीं है या वो बिजनेस सेंस नहीं है उसके पास और वो बिजनेस नहीं कर सकता। ही कैन इजिली डू इट। तो आप अगर हिंदी में भी बात करें तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। आपकी अगर हिंदी अच्छी है आप लोगों को समझाना आना चाहिए, आपको हिंदी अच्छी है, हिंदी में बात करिए, इंग्लिश में बात करिए। सदगुरु ऑलवेज टॉक्स इन इंग्लिश,
Correct.
उनको लेना देना ही नहीं है कि हिंदी में होगा तो ही हिंदी वालों को समझ में आएगा, जितना को समझ में आएगा आ जाएगा यार, बट ही कैन नॉट स्पीक इन इंग्लिश वेरी गुड, so he is not speaking in sorry, he cannot speak in Hindi very goodly. ठीक है, so
Yeah, yeah.
what he is doing, talking in English and making everyone understand who can understand him.
Correct.
So
So
use a language
yeah,
which you can to understand, make others understand easily.
cool. So I'll be just covering up this.
You can hear me now.
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you now. Okay, so
Okay, perfectly fine.
sorry for the connection problem. So I was talking about the last question and the last thing. It will be 3 life lessons you want to give to everyone that you learned in your life, so that there can be a new Rohit in the next few years.
See, I do not want anyone to be Rohit. Everyone should have their own personality, and they should pursue their career with their own thinking, with their own path. Okay. So first thing is this: do not follow anyone. You can choose from someone's path, but you should not follow someone's path because everyone is having a different path. You cannot follow the same footsteps someone else follows. Okay.
Correct.
So thing is that. Second thing, you have to do the hard work. You have to be there with you never have to quit. You have to be never ever quit if you want to succeed. No matter which field have you chosen, no matter how hard is the competition, find out a way to win the competition. Never leave. Quitters never win, winners never quit. Okay. The
Correct.
third part, can you hear me?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
The third thing is you have to think about the niche where you are going to launch a product service. You have to think about that segment of that market. If I want to give an example, if you use career counseling services, okay, so you need to find your market first. Market means segment. Career counseling is a field. Okay, so you have to find a segment in which segment you are going to operate. This is very important. अगर आप चाहते हो कि बहुत सस्ते में करो सबका और बल्क में करो लोगों का, क्वालिटी नहीं होगी इतनी ज्यादा, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा काम करते हैं हम, तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है क्वालिटी नहीं रहती। तो सब क्वालिटी नहीं रहेगी, बट आप बहुत ज्यादा लोगों को सर्व कर पाओगे और सस्ते में सबकी हेल्प कर पाओगे। इकोनॉमिक्स ऑफ स्केल आ जाएगा। द सेकेंड पार्ट इज, आप अगर ठीक ठाक मिड सेगमेंट के लोगों को अगर कैप्चर करते हो, तो आप क्या करते हो, थोड़े और लोग कम हो जाएंगे आपके पास, प्राइसेस थोड़े ज्यादा होंगे, आपको कम लोगों को टैकल करना पड़ेगा और आप और अच्छे से टैकल कर पाओगे। द थर्ड वन इज प्रीमियम, कि आप दी बेस्ट दे रहे हो लोगों को, लोग आप और कम आएंगे, और क्या होगा कि आप सर्विसेज दी बेस्ट दे पाओगे, क्योंकि आपको उतनी कम जगह पे दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा, उतना कम लोगों के साथ दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा। तो आप क्या करोगे, जिनकी भी आप करियर काउंसलिंग करोगे उनकी आप एकदम A1 लेवल की करियर काउंसलिंग करोगे, और उन फ्यूचर में हेल्प होगी और आपको भी हेल्प होगी। तो दीज आर द 3 सेगमेंट्स इन एवरी फील्ड, लो,
Correct.
मिड, हाई। तो आपको अपने सेगमेंट में, जिस फील्ड में आप ऑपरेट कर रहे हो, उसमें सेगमेंट या नीश चूज करनी है कि मुझे किस सेगमेंट में काम करना है, वो डिपेंड है। तो ये 3 चीजें हैं जो मैं हर किसी को रेकमेंड करूंगा कि बिजनेस करने से पहले, शुरू करने से बिल्कुल पहले आपको सोचना है कि मुझे इन 3 चीजों को करना है। थर्ड वन इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। ठीक है, ये तो सोचना है कि फील्ड कौन सी, नहीं तो बिजनेस पहले स्टार्ट मत करो। स्टार्ट करने के बाद अगर ये सोचे, तो तब तक आप बहुत ज्यादा पैसा लूज कर चुके होगे और कर रहे होगे, और चेंजेस करना मुश्किल होगा। शुरुआत ही पहले ये सोच के करो।
Okay, cool. So thank you so much, Rohit, for joining for our first podcast. I hope you
Most
enjoyed it.
welcome, and thank you for inviting me।